Abra, Kalinga, Aurora, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan and Basilan, Sulu, Biliran, Leyte, Cagayan, Bulacan and Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Guimaras, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Capiz, Cavite, Bataan, Masbate, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Tadlac, Tawi-Tawi, Cebu, Sarangani, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Compostela Valley, Quezon, Zambales, Camarines Sur and Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Sibugay and Del Sur, Albay, Zamboanga del Norte din. There's Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya and Camiguin. These are the Philippine provinces. Every Pinoy in the world comes from one of them. Mabuhay! These are the Philippine provinces. In our 7,107 islands. Davao Oriental and Occidental, Davao del Sur, Davao del Norte, Negros Oriental and Occidental, Siquijor Mountain, Southern Leyte, South Cotabato, Catanduanes, Sultan